This is Tado, a little device that makes your AC unit smart. At 7 in the morning, Tado sets the AC unit to the right temperature. This is Lizzie and Harold. Harold is known for reading a little too much and forgetting things a little too often. Lizzie, on the other hand, likes things at 90-degree angles and taking care of Harold. Thanks to Tado, Harold doesn't have to remember to turn off the AC when he leaves. Tado does it for him. While he is out at the market, the AC is off so they aren't wasting any energy. When Harold is approaching home, Tado reassures him that his home is pre-cooling to his preferred temperature setting. Tado is multilingual. It can speak with any remote-controlled AC unit. After a long, hot day, Harold is thrilled to get home to his pre-cooled apartment. Wouldn't you be?